Kadami tao.
You're only 19 years old. Stop doing that.
That's bad.
No, you're only 17 years old. Stop doing that like your mom.
It's cool here, but at the same time, you can feel the sun's rays.
You are literally using an editor right now.
Yes,
Guys,
but
she's using the editor toilet.
no, I'm not really beautiful, so look at that. Wow. Beautiful view. It's just so breathtaking in here. At this very top of this mountain. And there's like big cross over there. That's a sign you're at the very top. And nakakahinga. But it's really
Balik mo kami sa Pilipinas!
Look at that.
Ito na kami sa Pilipinas.
Ang galing ni Lord. Ang galing.
Ay, brother!
Si Tito. Hi everyone.
We all know that we are
We all
the
made it to the very
You
top.
know you can speak the first and the second one.
Ano mo silpi rito?
No, on the first one.
Ouch. Sorry. Apak libre, apak. Tapos may ano doon, yung umuusok ko.
Dati wala pang mga bayo sa gilid yun. May marami mga bayo.
So,